Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Jimmy, and today I'll be leading you in a guided meditation to help cultivate the power of your attention. This is a foundational practice of mindfulness, and it's very simple. A simple meditation focusing on your breath calms the mind, collects your scattered attention, and unifies the mind so that you're able to continue your practice. You must train the mind to cultivate the power of attention, just like you train the body and mind to play the guitar, play a sport, dance salsa. You learn tools and practices to train the mind and body, just like a dancer would learn to feel the music and be aware of their body and space. The more you sharpen your ability to concentrate and focus your attention, the longer you can sustain this focus, and the more centered you become. Let's begin by taking a few moments to find a comfortable seated position, in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. You can also practice standing up or lying down. Allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards. And now, with your mind's eye, trace the parts of your body that make contact with the ground. Sit with an upright spine, like a tree, and let your hands rest wherever is most comfortable. Breathe in fully and exhale with a sigh. Breathe in again and let go even more. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Silently affirm to yourself that the breath will be your anchor in this meditation. And when the mind gets lost in planning, fantasizing, or remembering, this is completely normal. When this happens, simply notice the breath. Is it warm or cool? Deep or shallow? If it's helpful, you can make mental notes of what's happening when you're breathing, using labels such as in and out, or rising and falling. Observe the arising of the breath, its duration, and its passing. Breath after breath, be curious. And as you practice, you'll be able to stay with one or two complete cycles of an inhalation and exhalation. And you'll develop the ability to notice when your mind has wandered, and to kindly and firmly return your full attention to the next breath, again and again. When mindfulness is combined with sharpened attention, you can transform the power of your attention into a spotlight, illuminating an experience. Similar to how a theater will spotlight an actor on stage and direct the attention of the audience, you can learn how to direct and sustain your attention on a single experience, the breath, rather than getting lost in the monkey mind with racing thoughts or feelings. Each time you find yourself experiencing something other than the breath, gently and firmly return your full attention back to the next breath. Be absorbed by its sensations. For the last couple moments of this meditation, notice the effects of the meditation. How quiet the breath is. How relaxed the body is. Regardless of what you think has or hasn't changed, know that it is never a mistake or a bad meditation if all you do is work on staying with the breath. Even when you seem to struggle throughout the entire practice and are lost in thought, it's good practice. Offer yourself gratitude for taking the time and energy to develop your practice today. And may the benefits of this practice bring ease, peace, and alleviation from suffering to you in your day and to all sentient beings. Begin to slowly deepen your breath. And when you're ready, at the very end of an exhalation, and as you begin an inhalation, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. If you'd like to continue your practice, click the link for another meditation. We'd love to hear your comments below on what you notice in your meditation. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.